Hey guys, welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to play PSP games on PC. PSP is also known as PlayStation Portable. So of course, being in 2024 we will use a emulator. So the emulator is called PPSSPP. Yeah, kind of a funny name, but go to this official page and download this emulator onto your computer. You can also use it on Android and it's going to be almost the same in setting up as on PC. So just choose this free version, the installer, and download it onto your computer. You can additionally also download the zip file, which is a portable mode. Alright, after downloading you will have these files, just unzip them into any folder on your computer. Okay, and now after downloading, just launch this x64 application right here. You can maximize it. And now basically here you need to choose a folder with your games. Also go into the settings, go into the controls, and perform a control mapping right over here. If you're playing on PC using a keyboard and a mouse, you will have to bind your keyboard buttons in here, in this screen under controls. And now under graphics, make sure to choose either DirectX 11 or Vulkan. Under rendering resolution, depending on what kind of hardware you have, I would suggest going for 4x. This will turn our internal resolution into the one that will match the 1080p resolution. If you'd like to launch the game full screen, click on here. If you want VSync, click on VSync right here. You can also set to show the FPS counter, which is useful. And now you just go to back, choose the game you want to play from the list, and you're basically ready to play. Thank you guys for watching this small tutorial. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to us, and I'll see you in the next one.